Good morning, students. How are you all? So, do you all remember me? Yes? Yes. This is our second class, and you all must know my name, right? Yes. Myself, Warsha, and today we are going to study more further. But till then, we will talk some. Okay. Yes. So, yes. Have you eaten breakfast or not? Okay. Good. And have you studied earlier classes, whatever I have taught you? Yes or no, students? Good. Okay. So let me check you all. Okay. Yes, I will. Yes. So what we have done in the earlier classes? Yes. Crop production. Okay. Okay. So now answer me. The crops which are shown in the rainy season are called as. The crops which are shown in the rainy season are called. Yes. Suman, Swati, Sneha, Bittu, Rabi. Good. And the crops which are shown in the winter season are called Kharif crops. That's good. Yes. Now please observe this image, students, and tell whatever you think about this. Yes. Okay. Yes. So the tractor. This is the tractor which helps in the preparation of agriculture, right? Yes, which helps in the it helps in the preparation of soil, and with the help of the tractor that farmer is doing, right? Yes. Now Suman doesn't have a tractor. Okay, suppose he is a poor man, so he doesn't have a tractor. So instead of a tractor, what he can use for the preparation of soil? Yes, just do think and tell me that if Suman doesn't have a tractor, so instead of a tractor, what he can use for the preparation of soil? Okay, cow. Yes, Sneha. With the healthy cow, I know in the old age, yes, they used to take help with the help of the cow, right? Yes. And okay, good. So yes, we are going to study about agricultural implements, in which we are going to more explain or more elaborate we will do about the how the soil will prepare before going for the agriculture, or before showing the crops or seeds, right? Yes. Now please observe this image. Yes. So Sneha told right that we are using cow with the help of the seed. This is the plow, and this is the person taken with the hand, so that the cow will be sincere, right? And they will do their work. Yes. So this is the beam. Yes. This is the plow shaft. This is the plowshare, and this is the hathora. Yes. This is the hathora, plowshare. And with the help of this beam, the cow basically just run, and they make hole, or they just prepare the soil, right? Yes, like this you have seen here. Yes. Now this is student. Anything? Yes. So this is also the different method of to prepare the soil, right? This is the grave, handle, bent plat, rod, beam. Yes, this is also a kind of plow. Okay. So yes. And this is called as the hoe. Basically, this is called as the hoe. Yes. So this is the next one. This is a tractor. with the help of the tractor. You all know very well that how tractor with the help of the tractor we can prepare the soil. Yes, every person or most of the person nowadays use tractors because that is much more easier uh, than this one. Yes. Yes, good. So students, I will tell you. Okay, so what happens students, before showing the seeds, what do you think, what are the things are the necessary, what are the things that is necessary before the showing the seeds? Yes, yes Swati. Okay, yes, first of all we have to prepare the soil, that's true. Other than that, yes Suman, we have to take a better seed, good quality seeds. Okay. Yes, yes Suman, sorry, yes Sneha. Yes, we have to take a tractor. With the help of the tractor only we can show sheets. Yes, yes, and even in fact students, have you ever seen that the farmers or ladies, they just show the seeds with the help of the hand only? For that they used to use their hands. Yes, but that is very difficult, you know. But if they don't have that much money, then they have to do now, because they have no other options. But nowadays most of the people have a tractor. Yes, so before showing the seeds, it is necessary to break soil clumps to better yield. This is done with the help of various tools. Yes, like this is the tools, first tool, second tool, this is the third tool. Yes, so this is done with the help of the various tools. The main tools used for this purpose are the plow. This is the plow. This is the hoe, and this is the cultivator. Okay. Yes. So let's discuss about plow. This is the plow. So this has been used since ancient times for tilting the soil, right? For tilting the soil. Yes. And for adding fertilizers to the crop. Yes, if we will only add fertilizers now when we get some gap, because soil are too plain now, right? But when we get some gap, then only we will add fertilizers to it. Yes, removing the weeds. What is weeds? Yes, twins. Yes, Praful, what is weeds? Yes, unnecessary or unwanted crops. That is very necessary to remove weeds. And why is it necessary? That will tell by Akansha. Yes, so that they will not take the nutrients from the main crop. Good, Akansha. Yes, so this has been used since ancient times for tilting the soil, adding fertilizer to the crops, removing the weeds, and turning the soil. So this is made of wood. As you have seen, this is made of wood and is drawn by a pair of bulls or other animals like cow, horses also used, and even camels. Have you ever in desert must have seen that with the help of the camel they used to do it, right? The cow is there, horse are there, camels are there. Yes, and it contains a strong triangular iron strip called plowshare. Yes, see, this is the iron and this is called as the plowshare. So that with the help of the plowshare we will till the soil and we can prepare the soil for the crops, right? Yes. Now comes to the next part, and that is plow. I'm so sorry, that is hoe. Yes, but before that, students, what the main part of the plow is a long log of wood. You are seeing that this is a long log of wood. Yes, which is called plow shaft. This is called as the plow shaft. Yes, and there is a handle at one end of the shaft. Yes, there is one handle. True. The other end is attached to a beam which is placed on the bull's neck. Yes, see the other neck. Yes, bull's neck. Yes, and one pair of bulls and a man can easily operate the plow. This is a man and can easily operate, yes. And the indigenous wooden plow is increasingly being replaced by iron plow nowadays. This is the iron plow nowadays, yes. Now come to a hoe part. This is a very simple tool which is used for removing weeds. Okay, this tool is basically used to remove for the weeds. Okay, for loosening of the soil. It has a long rod of wood or iron. A strong, broad and bent blade is fixed to one of its end and works like a blade. Yes, see, this is the works like a blade and it is pulled by animals. Okay, this is basically pulled by animals only. Yes. Now comes to next part, that is cultivator. Nowadays plowing is done by tractor driven cultivators. The use of cultivator saves labor and time both, and work also. This is easy, right? Because person just sit and drive and all the work is done, like here you can see. Yes, but in earlier the persons have to, or farmers have to work very hard, right? See, in this also, in fact animals also be in trouble for this. They, in fact, that person beat if cow is not doing his work, right? So this is the hoe and this is the cultivator. So nowadays this is very useful and very easy and safe also to do, right? Yes. Now students, tell me, name a tool which is used for removing weeds and for loosening soil. Now you have to name a tool which is used for removing weeds and for a loosening of soil. Yes. Good. Yes, Bittu, please answer. Yes, hoe. Very good. Now, plow has been used since ancient times for tilling the soil. That is true or false? Please answer. Praful, Hormot, Akanksha, Bittu, Sneha, Suman. Please answer. Swati, Himshikha. Yes, you all are right. That is true. Good. Now, please observe this image, friends. What this person is doing, basically doing, yes. But students, listen. First of all, what we will do? Suppose now, if I will take a beaker, okay, and if I will fill half it with water, and if I will full handful of wheat seeds if I take, okay, and put in that water, or chana. Have you ever seen chana? So what do you think, students? What will happen? Yes. Are there seeds which float on water? Or would those be lighter or heavier than those which sink? Yes, please answer. Okay. Yes. Right. So the lighter one will float and the heavier one will sink. Good. Now tell me what this person is basically doing. Yes. What farmers do there with their hands? Yes. They are sowing seeds with the help of the hand. Okay. So now tell me, students, what is the traditional tool for sowing seeds? Yes. Just think and tell me that what is the traditional tool for sowing seeds. Like this, in this you have seen that that farmers have taken with the help of the hand. Just the same way. Just think. Yes, Bittu, please be active in the class and please maintain discipline in the class, okay, and be active. Yes, Neha, please answer. What can be the traditional way? You must have seen, yeah? Yes or not? Good. With the help of the cow, okay. Cow. Like this cow. With the help of the cow, they used to sow their seeds, right? Yes. And the other one, yes, this is the seed drill, students. Okay. With the help of the seed drill, also we can sow the seeds. All right. Yes. So, students, sowing is an important part of crop production. Before sowing, good quality, clean and healthy seeds of a good variety are selected. Farmers prefer to use seeds which give high damaged seeds become hollow and are just lighter. Therefore, they float on water. Okay, so before using or anything, farmers they just check that whether that seed is good for their agriculture or not. For that, what they are basically doing, they take a water, they put seeds in that, and whichever seeds float, they will take out and remove, and with that seeds they will take which sink, right? Yes. Yes, so damaged seeds, what happens in damaged seeds which float now, they have a some kind of damage in there. There is a hollow in there. So, and thus are lighter. So, therefore, they float on water and farmers are removed from this. And this is a very good method for separating good healthy seeds from the damaged one. Okay? Yes. So if you also want to check that whether this seed is good or not, whether this chana is good or not, whether this rice is good or not, then you can do that experiment in your home, or you can also tell your mother how she can check that whether this seed or whether this chana is good or healthy or not, right? Yes. So before showing, one of the important tasks is to know about the tools used for showing seeds. First important tool is traditional tool. This is the traditional tool. The tools used traditionally for showing seeds is shaped like a funnel. The seeds are filled into the funnel, passed down through 2 or 3 pipes having sharp ends. These ends pierce into the soil and place seeds drilled. Nowadays, the seed drill. This is a seed drill. Yes. Nowadays, farmers are using seed drills. Is used for showing with the help of the tractors. Okay. They don't. They use seed drills with the help of the tractors only. Yes. And this shows the seeds uniformly at equal distance and depth. Basically, that seeds drill. What they will do, they will equally interval and equally depth. They will not do like one side they do very depth or not equal interval. No, with the help of the seed drill, they can easily mark an equal interval or an equal depth. Okay, this help in showing the seeds also, and they will get a good quality of crops. Okay, yes. And yes, it ensures that seeds get covered by the soil after sowing, and this protects seeds from being eaten by birds also. Yes, birds are there and many external things are there now which can damage seeds, like water is there, air is there, wind is there, animals are there, they can easily eat. So with the help of the seed drill, we can protect our seeds. Yes, and we can protect our seeds by being eaten by birds. So sowing by seeds by using a seed drill saves time, labor, work and many things. So basically seed drills are very important for the farmers. Okay, yes. Now let's go ahead. One day Suman saw his mother put some gram seeds in a vessel and pour some water on them. After a few minutes, some seeds started to float on top. I wonder why some seeds float on water. Suman wondered that why some seeds float on water. Please answer. Yes. Please help Suman. Yes. Praful will help Suman. Yes. Why that seeds float on top? Yes, Praful. Okay. Yes, because that seeds are lighter. Yes, Akanksha. More point. That seeds are damaged, so there must be a hollow. Yes, which makes that seeds float on water. Okay, Suman, now you understood. Now you can also go and just inform your mother that that seed is not good. Okay, yes, now answer. Lighter seeds float. True or false? Yes. Yes, students, quickly response. Good, keep it up. Bittu and Hormone only left. Yes, Neha, please answer. True, good. Yes, Bittu, why you have answered false? Do you have any doubt or you have done it by mistakenly? By mistake. Okay, fine. By mistake. So you also think that lighter seeds float? And what's the reason behind it? Yes, Bittu. Please answer. Come on and be active, okay? Yes, lighter seeds float because there must be some damage, some hole inside there which makes lighter seeds float. Good. Now, please observe this image. What this lady is doing. Fertilizers. Good. In this image, same pesticides or fertilizers. Yes? Good. Okay. In this, manures, cow dung. In this, fertilizers. Yes? Good. Now student. Suppose Swati saw a healthy crop growing in a farm. Okay? But in the neighboring farm, the plants were weak. In one farm, healthy crop. In the other, the neighboring farm, plants were weak. Why do some plants grow better than others? What's the reason, students? Why? Please help Swati because she is very confused. Right? Yes, so please help. What must be the reason? Yes, Suman, please answer. Yes, good. More point. I want more point from Akanksha. Yes, because healthy crops must have get proper nutrients, proper manures, and not get much more fertilizers. But the plants which are weak, they must have get more fertilizers, more pesticides they have used, more and more. Nowadays so many chemicals are available in the market now for the crop, for early crops. Yes, for the growing of the plants, but they damage the plants. So that is why the neighboring farming plants were weak, and the healthy crops, they must have get a proper nutrients. Yes, so students, the substance which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called manure and fertilizers. Soil supplies mineral nutrients to the crop plants with the help of the soil. Yes, these nutrients are essential for the growth of plants, and in certain areas farmers grow crop after crop in the same field. The field is never left uncultivated or fallow. Imagine what happens to the nutrients, students, if they will just remain uncultivated or fallow. Then what will happen to them? What was happening to that nutrients? Yes, please think. Yes. Yes. So continuous cultivation of crops makes the soil poor in nutrients, because they do again and again the same crop. Then definitely, student, that will go weak. Yes. So that is why that continuous cultivation of crops makes the soil poor in nutrients. Therefore, farmers have to add manures to the fields to replenish the soil with nutrients, because manure is very good for the crops. So they add crops to replenish the soil with nutrients, and this process is called manuring. Improper or insufficient manuring results in weak plants. Yeah, manure is an organic substance obtained from the decomposition of plant or animal waste. For example, cow, yes, cow dung, yes. So farmers dump plant and animal waste in pits at open places and allow it to decompose. The decomposition is caused by some microorganisms. For example, yes, bacteria, earthworm. Earthworm is very friendly to the farmers because it will help in the decomposition. Right? Good. Now, answer. Why is organic farming encouraging nowadays? What's the reason? Yes. Samir will answer. Why is organic farming encouraging nowadays? Good. Yes, Imshika, please elaborate more. Yes, you all are right. Organic farming encourages nowadays because so that we can get healthy food. Nowadays, so much chemicals and fertilizers are applying in the crops, which makes our body or our healthy our immune system weak. So that is why nowadays organic farming encourages so that we eat healthy, remain healthy. Yes. Now, continuous cultivation of crops make the soil poor in, yes, continuous cultivation of crops makes the soil poor in, yes, nutrients. Very nice. Now we will end our class. So today we have learned about agriculture implements, about them, explain importance of agricultural implements. Then we have these different methods, right? What was that, students? Yes, plow, hoe, and last one, cultivator. Yes, and then we have explained about the sowing of seeds. Then we have discussed traditional tool used in agriculture to sow the seeds with the help of an appropriate example. Yes, like with the help of the cow. Yes. Now we have enlist the importance of adding manure and fertilizer in the soil. Why is it important to add manure and fertilizer in the soil? And what happens if we will add more chemicals in the soils and if we will do continuous cultivations, right? Yes. Now please answer. Substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients called manures, fertilizers, both, none. Yes, please answer. Yes, good. Both. Because substances which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients called manure, fertilizer, both are required. Now, second question. Sowing is an important part of crop production. True or false? Yes, Bitu. Akansha left. Yes. True. That's nice. Now it's your homework time. What are the advantages of manure and fertilizer in the soil? Explain in detail. And what is the plowing or tilting states its advantages. Okay. Now your activity. You have to collect information about new agricultural machine with pictures and paste in a file with their names and uses. Okay. You have to do your homework part very nicely. I will check in the next class. And if you have any doubt, then you can ask me in the next class also. So have a very wonderful day, students. Bye bye and take care. Okay, bye.